Hi guys, today I will talk about the AgnoLabs. This project uses Canvas for creating agents with some resources. So I have the integration resource, database, vector, knowledge memory manager. Here's the core, logic for using workflow. We have the tools, every tool supported for Agno. This project don't have release, but in some days I do it. Okay, then let's run it. I have my agent input. This is a function tool. I can open code editor, use this function. I can remove this. I have a simple input, my agent. In agent, I have every properties preset for Agno. I can check when some property have dependency. This show for this. So this say what I need for achieve this. I can run this. Click here, run, or I can test with chat. Double click in input. I have a simple chat. So the bug, I don't know why. I have my output and right. I have properties from component code, show code generate. This is code generate. My output. If I click here, have an error because when the double click show the clear response, it don't work now. Only debug mode. What is this? This is AgnoLab. In some days I create a first release for this project. Thank you for watching. I see you next.